Apologies for the sniffles, I've got a cold. And it's cold. But this is where we are tonight, the Fox Connaught, which is by the Excel. So the Excel is just by there. So it feels like this is becoming a theme. I did not realise this was a pub. It's about 9:30, but I'm in a bit of a rush because I don't know what time check-in closes. It might be 10, but I've tried phoning them, I've sent them a message, and they haven't got back to me, which I'm not thrilled about. So I've had to cut my meal tonight short to get over here in time. Anyway. Heading up to the room. It's a bit grubby. Looks like the art has been bought from charity shops. It's a bit dark. Are the lights gonna come on? Yep. Oh, I'm all the way up to the top. This is certainly some exercise. It's a bit weird. So here's the view from the door. Here's me, and my face is now going to tell you what I think about the place. There you go. You can end the review now. You can stop watching, that's fine. Yeah, it smells like a charity shop. It doesn't smell good in here at all. That bed looks really kind of sad. Everything in here is, yeah, reminding me of charity shop. You've got a... Isn't that a... Well, it says caution hot radiator here. Is that even a radiator? What is that? Oh my god, even they look sad. Okay, we got a big-ish telly. What is this hotel art? Photography. Is that even photography? I don't even know. Cracks in the wall galore. Lots of kind of dirt. Walls peeling. Ugly curtains. A smug Premier Inn opposite. That radiator's pretty hot, mind. I have no idea what that is. What is that? That's obviously a heater, is it? Anyway, it looks dangerous. God, I haven't seen one of these since my nan. Since going and visiting my nan when I was a young boy. God. I don't think I've seen one of these for 20 odd years. Well, at least they've made a nice presentation out of the coffee. That's quite nice. And the Twinings is a decent cup as well. Please service the room. God, how much can you do? Like, okay, what's this gonna be? A mirror? Yeah, a funky mirror, which again turns around a little bit embarrassed. So we got a safe there, extra pillows, which we're definitely gonna need. I can tell already. Let's check them on. Remote control. God, a phone for room service, I suppose. Kind of dreading this, but where the friggin' hell's the light switch? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's what you like to see. Straight off the bat, black mould. Awesome. Oh god. Oh, that as well. This looks like a worktop that my parents used to have back in the 80s. Wow. And then what else we got here? Duck Island. Alright. A disposable bag, cool. A mirror. A tap, which is kind of grubby and rusty. Toilet. Many more disposable bags. Toilet roll. But no spare toilet roll. Well, actually, let's not. Okay. Sorry everyone. Sorry. Oh, two. They're spoiling me. And yeah, stains on the wall that I don't want to think about. Ugh, that's buzzing. Alright, bed. Nah. Rock hard. I've sat on softer walls. I'm not even going to test the pillows. Not even going to test them. What is there to say? I'm paying £57.05 for this. I thought it was a bit of a bargain. But maybe I was wrong. I was also conscious that the last hotel I stayed in last week was £75, and so I wanted to bring the cost down for this one. So £57, and I'm not staying here again. It's kind of weird that it's in a pub, but one nice thing about staying in the pub. It does say when you dine with us, but she did say go get yourself a drink. But look, I just had gumbo and beignets. I'm good. I don't need food. I don't need a drink. Mint juleps as well, which I shouldn't have drunk because I'm on medication. Naughty me. But it's a mint julep, like. Can't not have a mint julep. Oh, I don't like it. Yeah, I don't like it. So I'm miles away as well. So I'm by the XL, which is a bit of a drag, but not so bad because of the new Elizabeth line. So what I'll do in the morning is I'll get the Elizabeth line to Farringdon, and I'll just walk from Farringdon, which is maybe 20 minutes. It'll be fine. That stupid thing. I didn't even think they made them anymore. And that bloody thing as well. God. It's warm in your mind. Oh, I'm not sure I trust opening these windows. I'll never get them shut. I don't know how I get out of here actually in the morning if the pub is shut. I'm sure I would. I also don't know where to leave the keys. I should maybe find that out. Mockingly, from the place I'm staying at now, I can see a Premier Inn, which, you know, is fine. But in the distance there, the blue and the green, is a DoubleTree. I love a bloody DoubleTree. Ugh.
Why didn't you sing? Why didn't you work it? I'm better than my uniform. Why? Girl, put me up. I don't give a fuck.
Staff. What is going on here? Okay, let's try and quickly wrap this up because I don't think I'm adding much more to what I've already said. So it's not great here. I suppose the things that happened since recording yesterday is it rained for a bit during the night. So at about 2 AM it started to rain, and the water just kind of cascaded, you know, down past the window and was bouncing off the windowsill or something just below. So so when it rains outside the window, it just goes butter. That's obviously fun for sleeping through. So that kept me up for a little bit. No, I won't be coming here again. It just makes me wary now. This is 2 pubs that we've stayed in in the last few months, and although the cherry rooms, I'm giving a pass despite all the things that went wrong on that day. The cherry rooms was far superior to this. You know, it's at least they've had a go. You know, they've thought about it. You know, they got some fancy curtains and blinds in there. You know, the bed was okay. But here, this feels like a room that people have died in. You know, and I don't mean their, you know, just their souls upon seeing it. I mean, it feels like an old person room, and it certainly smells like it, which is unfortunate because of the smell. I really want to shower, but I really don't want to use that shower. So I'm recording this at like 7:30, which is way earlier than it needs to be, because I want to go into work and use the cool showers that we have in work. So that's what I'm doing. But yeah, to wrap up, the Fox Connaught by the Excel, £57.05 for the pleasure. No. Like and subscribe and all that. Take care, everyone. Bye.